What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style O.G. And on today's video, I'm going to talk to you about several ways how I make money on YouTube. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe, tap that notification bell, and join us. And to my returning friends like Tom Harold, salute. Now, next to style questions, the number one question I get on this channel is, do you make money at YouTube? And if so, how do you make that money? And it comes from people that are just curious, or people who want to do this or are already doing YouTube and want to know, can you make a living doing so? And the simple answer is yes. So what I want to do on today's video is talk about several ways how I make money on YouTube, how you can do so also, and give you some pointers on which ones are the easiest and the quickest way to make a couple bucks. So without any further delay, let's hop into how I make money on YouTube. So currently with YouTube, I do make enough money to pay my bills. Now, by no means am I getting rich off YouTube, but I do make a good living. And I'm gonna talk to you about the three main ways how I do that, starting from the easiest to get into to the most difficult and the slowest to make money. First up, we're gonna talk about affiliate marketing. Now, I wanna talk about affiliate marketing first because it's the easiest to get into, even when you have a very small channel. Now, what is affiliate marketing? It's pretty simple. It's when I talk about, review, or wear a product on the channel, and I tell you, hey guys, if you're interested in this product, hit the link in the description. When you hit that link in the description, it takes you to where you can actually buy that product. And when you do buy that product, I get a small commission at no extra cost to you. So let me give you a quick example. Say I do a review on Dolce & Gabbana's The One. Talk to you about it, let you know how much I love it, and I'll let you know if you're interested in trying it out, hit the link in the description, pick up a bottle for yourself. You go through that link, buy that Dolce & Gabbana The One, you put a couple pennies in the Style O.G.'s pocket. The great thing about affiliate marketing, you can have a very small channel. All you have to do is sign up for the affiliate program, either directly through that brand, or there's a bunch of curators who have a bunch of brands and products all under one umbrella. And affiliate marketing is going to be the easiest and the first way you can make money on YouTube. Currently, affiliate marketing accounts for about 20% of the revenue that's generated on the Style O.G. YouTube channel. This was the first way I and many other people make money on YouTube. You can sign up for an affiliate program either directly through the brand or through what I like to call an affiliate curator or aggregator. I prefer using an affiliate curator because it houses tons of brands and products all under one roof, and I don't have to go searching from brand to brand, product to product. It's all in one convenient place. And my absolute favorite affiliate curator, and the one I use 70 to 80% of the time, is today's video sponsor, Magic Links. Magic Links is my go-to affiliate site because it has over 3,500 brands and over 500 million products all under one roof. All the top stores such as Nordstrom, Express, Everlane, J. Crew, the brands and products I talk about a lot on this channel, it's under Magic Links. It's very simple. I got a product I want you guys to check out, hit the Magic Link browser extension, get the affiliate link right away, place it in my description. And I absolutely love Magic Link's dashboard. I can see what my top performing links are, my top performing stores, how much money I've made, all in one convenient and easy to read place. So if you're someone who's looking to get into affiliate marketing and you want the best and easiest to use program, make sure you hit that link in the description and check out Magic Links today. Now, what you just saw there was an example of the second way I make money on this YouTube channel. That's through brand sponsorships. Now, these brand sponsorships come about when I partner with a brand that I'm excited to talk to and promote to you, my valuable audience. Now, 99% of the time, the brands reach out to me. I take a look at the product. If it's something I like, already use, or know I would use, then the discussion starts. Now, I won't partner with a brand or a product I don't believe in, won't use, or don't authentically believe is worthwhile you spending your money on. Because of the great support of you guys who watch this channel, I've gotten to the point where I can be very selective about the brands I work with. That's why a lot of times you'll see me working with the same brands over and over. I develop relationships with these brands, and I feel comfortable that you can take my word that it's a product worth you investing in. And when you take a look at these brands or products and buy the products from the brand, it helps support my channel. So it's a win-win situation for everybody. I get to pay my bills, you get to learn about a great product you might want to look into, and it creates revenue and awareness for the brand I partner with. I would estimate I probably started getting my first offers for sponsorships probably about 4 or 5 months into the channel. You don't have to be a large channel to start getting some brand partnerships. And as your channel starts to grow in reach and size, you'll get many more offers and your price starts to go up. And as I mentioned, these brand sponsorships currently account for about 40% of the Style O.G revenue. And the third way we're going to talk about how I make money on this YouTube channel is the one most people think you're getting rich off, but it's the slowest to start paying dividends. That's through YouTube ads from your views. Now, before most people start a YouTube channel, myself included, I thought this is where the big money was. I'll get a bunch of views, I'll get a bunch of ad revenue. But it's actually quite the opposite. This was the last way I started making decent money on YouTube. That's because generally speaking, you need tons of views to make a few bucks. But as you grow and start to get more and more views, the revenue does increase. So let's talk about how you even start getting money from these ads on your views in the first place. You have to become what's called a YouTube partner. The ad revenue is actually a partnership between YouTube and you, the creator. When you're watching a YouTube video and an ad comes up and you actually watch that ad, YouTube gets paid for that. Because I or you are a YouTube partner, we get a split of that money. YouTube gets 45%, we get to keep 55%. But just like most things, there's an application process to become a YouTube partner. And you have to have a couple of requirements. First, you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers. Then you have to accumulate 4,000 watch hours on your channel. What this means, if you take all of your videos, the amount of hours your viewers have spent watching these videos has to equal at least 4,000 hours or more. Once you have the 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 watch hours, you then can apply to be a YouTube partner. Once YouTube approves your application, voila, you can start doing what's called monetizing your video, meaning you agree to allow to have ads placed on your YouTube video. Now, as I mentioned, this is the last and the slowest way to make money on YouTube. At first, this was probably 5 to 10% of my revenue. But fortunately, thanks to you guys' support, as the channel's grown bigger and bigger and I get more and more views, of course, the revenue goes up. And now my YouTube ad revenue accounts for around 35 to 40% of the Style O.G's income. And although this is a great source of income from YouTube creators, it is the last one I think you should worry about. It's the slowest to grow, and it's gonna take a substantial amount of time before you start seeing a significant amount of revenue from being a YouTube partner. Okay, so there you have it. The 3 main ways how I make money on YouTube. If you have any questions on how I make money on YouTube or how you can do the same, hit me up in the comment section. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. Helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out the next time.